Yeah, it's not really going to do much. I'm actually going to do the tough choice. I'm going to leave a stump though. I'm going to turn it into a gin. So yeah, that's a lot taken off. And I'm actually going to probably do something like this, I'm thinking. Whew. Again, it's back out here in the cold, like another video I recorded. It's a really tough call doing this, really. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and do it. It's a lot to remove, but I think it'll benefit the tree in the long run. Prune off all this extra growth that won't be gin. Ow. Cut myself a little bit. Again, like another video in this that I've recorded, you got the gin pliers, which make the job of doing this work that I'm doing right here so much easier than needle nose pliers or any other pliers that you might use. I mean, the job is just so much easier with these. So, but I can't really recommend them really unless you do like a lot of gin. Like, if you do this like process pretty regularly, really what you do is you just pinch it like that all the way around, and then you just peel it off. And the job makes it, and these pliers make that job extremely easy compared to most other pliers that you could get in America, or non-bonsai pliers. And that's what I like about these, is they actually do a much better job of that. Like, it makes the job actually easy to do. Unlike with, like, I've used needle nose pliers and other pliers before, and when I purchased these, they made a massive difference. Like, I actually bought them because I had a Juniper that I worked on. Actually, the toy Galwood Juniper that I have that I actually have a video on my channel, and it made the job so much easier with these. Like, it was a night and day difference. And when I look at that, you can see it better now, but it's just straight right there. So I'm actually gonna break it off. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. But now I got a really nice gin right there. It's nice and short, maybe a bit too short, but I do like it. You can't really see it, but I'm just really just getting this bark off. So, now that we got that much done, this is kind of what I'm thinking right here. Something like this. And when I see these two stems right here that come off, I think maybe keeping this upper one for now, but ginning this lower one. And I'm gonna do a lot of gins on this actually. I really think I'm gonna end up doing a lot of gin on this because I'm seriously gonna do a semi-cascade with this. Really, I'm just broke it right there, and I'm peeling it back. That's really all you gotta do. If you really want to get fancy, you can carve it up a little bit with either like a Dremel tool or some other drill, or carve it some more or work it. And actually, what I like to do is for my gins, I don't like to put lime sulfur on them personally. I might every now and then. Because just to prevent it from rotting, but for the most part I really don't do much to take care of my gins. Trying to get some started to get some deadwood revealed on the trunk right here. There we go. So now we got that, and we got this right here, which I'm gonna prune this up a little bit, so I can wire it, remove what I know I don't need. My finger's starting to hurt a little bit. I cut it pretty bad. It's not that bad, it's just bleeding. Keep that. So for this is probably going to be like the apex combined with this. In fact, what I'm going to do is cut this back right here, or maybe, yeah, I'm going to cut it a little bit longer out. I'm going to gin it, so I have a gin tip. Dang it. Oh well. But yeah, what I was going to do is I was going to wire this part out like so, and have that be like the new end of that. So again, we got the small growth right there, which I'm going to prune. A lot of that small inner growth will most of the time won't even really survive long term anyways.